Jack, look over here. Jack, over here. Nope, you're too busy, huh? Yes, you are. Yeah. Look at Jack. He's sitting in his little seat. Playing. Say hi, Mommy. Look at me. See my little feetsies? Yeah. Look at Jack. How about that? Wave to Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. What? Where's your Mommy? Huh? You're having a good time over there. Say goodbye, Mommy. Yeah, come real close. Say goodbye, Mommy. Okay. Jack? Jack, are you having fun? Huh? Are you having fun? Yeah, look at that. Here, look, there's one over here too. Here, Jack. One over there too. Go ahead. And you just like that one, huh? Jack, look. What is that? Huh? What are you doing?